Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for FabFitFun. Now, if you're unfamiliar, FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box. You do receive it quarterly. They are $54.99 per season or $199.99 per year. You get apparel, home goods, jewelry, skincare, makeup, fun things for around the house, your life, all kinds of fun things. And they come at a great discounted price. They even have a store for members to go on, and you can save tons of money on your favorite products. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me. So I am a seasonal member, so I get to customize 4 things in the box. But annual members get to customize everything in the box, and they get first dibs on everything. Because I'm a seasonal member, I have to wait my turn, and some of the good stuff is gone already because I'm not an annual member. So that is something to consider. Let's go ahead and see what they have this time. Oh, look how cute that is, even on the inside. On the top, you'll find your paperwork and the FabFitFun magazine. Woo! Okay, let's see what I've got. Okay, so the magazine gives you information on products that were available this season. They're very positive in their message. 10 ways to kickstart your happy. Perk up exclusive offers. Ooh, I like those earrings. They have recipes in here. But one thing they don't have, and that's all the products that we had to choose. They kind of talk about them a little bit, but not much. Here is a coupon for $15 off your first box. I believe that code is good for one person, so go ahead and try it, see if it works. If it doesn't, that means somebody else claimed it. Okay, so they also have add-on sales, which is something that I took advantage of. You can get things at great discounts with their add-on sales, which usually happens just before they ship. And you know, they also have refills, which happens quarterly, so you can refill some of your favorite products at a huge discount. So 2 of the things that I added on this time were these Spun gels. Now, this is a soap-infused body buffer. Let me show you. Comes with a little ribbon if you want to tie it into your shower, but looks like this. And this one is Naked Lady Belladonna. Cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. You feel so soft after one of these. And the larger ones do last about 20 washes. You just get it wet and then squish it and rub it and you get all soapy. It's really nice. And I got one for me and one for my daughter because she likes it so much as well. I got these for $5 each, I think. $5. They usually run about 18. And then we have more paperwork. Bright Cellars. This is a wine. Hello Fresh. Oh, now it's 17 free meals. If you're interested, there you go. Now that 17 free meals is over a period of time. You don't just get 17 free meals right off the bat. They spread that out over a few boxes. Okay. Now, the first category, I wanted the cooler, but they told me that they were out of what they had in stock, and what they were waiting for wasn't in yet. So I went ahead and changed my first category to a mystery. So I don't know what they sent me. So I am going to choose out of here. I'm going to pick everything that I know that I picked. So I picked a spoon rest. We cook a lot. We cook every day. It's very rare that we just throw in a pizza or go get something. We do cook every day. And I have a spoon rest. It's plastic and it works just fine, but it does get dirty. So it would be nice to have another one. Look how pretty that is. It's by Favor. Very nice. It is ceramic. Perfect. Perfecto. So I'm very happy with that. And then another thing I picked, look at, it says Kate Spade. I got a fancy schmancy brand. It's not important for me to have fancy brands. It's really not. I could care less. But when something like this comes available and you like jewelry, well, that's pretty. Look at those. See all the different colors? You could wear these with so many things and it would pick up those colors. Very nice. Yeah. Oh, they're gold. Okay. You won't notice that too much. I wear silver, so, but yeah, see there's gold on the side there. But that's okay because they're studs. The other thing I chose was in here. Now, I wasn't too crazy about this category. I really wasn't sure what to pick. But these are made by the company Bando. They're acrylic stemless wine glasses. And, you know, we have a pool now. So, you know, being outside, you can't bring glass. So that's why I went ahead and chose these. There's 4 of them in here. And they're all acrylic. They say Bando right here. And they have all these little sparkles in there, which is very cute. And it's funny because I think I'm the only one in the family that drinks out of glass. Everyone else picks plastic. So I think these will go well in the house too. So that's all of the things that I picked. So now let's see what they picked for me. So I'm pulling out this Daily Concepts brush. It's a facial brush. Facial dry brush for radiant looking skin. Okay. I hope the bristles are soft. Oh, how cute. Nice wooden handle with a rope. And these are soft, but, you know, I bet a dermatologist would say it's still too rough for your face. If we can't use a makeup wipe, this definitely would be too rough on our face. This would be a cute decoration in the bathroom. Hang it up. But yeah, nice little facial brush. It is soft. I probably will use it. And then we have by Ico of London, Double Act Shadow Stick with Sharpener. Oh, so here is the little sharpener. It says Ico on it. It has this little dome for your shavings. You can just open the dome and dump your shavings out. And this is for a large pencil. And that's what we have here. This is Double Act Shadow Stick. Do you guys use shadow sticks or do you prefer powder? This color is in cookies, and this color is in cream. So that's what that looks. This would be a good, oh, this would be real good for the waterline. Here's that color right here. This is for a wing stamp. I tried a little wing stamp, so that's what that's from. So that's cookies, or cream, and here is cookies. Nice and silky. You can barely feel it going on. It's so silky. Okay, the next thing is in this case by Nectar. Feels like glasses. These are blue light glasses. They're very nice. Oh God, that's hard to open. Why is that so hard? Jeez. They cranked it down. Now, I need prescription lenses. See, I just took my glasses off and I can't really see. But that's what they would look like. Block that blue light from watching your phone or being on the computer all day. But I can't see out of these at all because I need prescription lenses. So I'll probably pass these off to my daughter. She doesn't need to wear glasses, so she will probably get some use out of these. Gosh, that's tough to open. And we're just going to slip it right back in its little case. There we go. And we have from Christophe Robin of Paris. See, they put Paris and London on names, so it looks fancier. It is a regenerating mask with prickly pear oil, sumptuous hair, revitalized and deeply nourished hair. So we've got that. It smells okay. It isn't, it's kind of spa-like. I would say a spa smells better than this. It's not a horrible smell, but it isn't a super pleasant one either. But I hear this stuff works really well on your hair. And the last thing they sent, which I'm very excited about, it is by Winky Lux. Look how cute that package is. This is their lip oil. I received one of these in my very first FabFitFun box, and I use it constantly. Matter of fact, the very, very tip of the doe foot is right down at the very bottom, and that's all that's left. It has a bunch of little stars in there. It also has some glitter if you can see it, but it's not like you can see any of that when you put it on. But I love this stuff. It has like a vanilla scent and flavor, but not heavily flavored. But I really like this, so I'm glad to get that. So I received the Winky Lux oil, lip oil, the Christophe Robin hair mask, a facial brush, eyeshadow, blue light glasses, Kate Spade earrings, a fancy spoon rest, my acrylic glasses, and 2 Spun gels. And that is all I have in today's FabFitFun. But I can get you your own box, your very first box. They call it a starter box. I can get that for you for $5. That's all you got to pay, is $5. And if you're interested in that, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will hook up with you and get all the information needed for that. And yeah, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.